In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Microsoft Teams meetings and keep unwanted users out. If you host meetings for work, school, or clients, these security settings are extremely important. By the end of this video, you'll know how to control who can join your meeting, who can present, and how to secure your meeting while it's live. First, open Microsoft Teams and start or join a meeting. Then click the three dots or More Options, select Settings, and click Meeting Options. Look for the option that controls who can bypass the lobby. To keep your meeting secure, set this to only me or people in my organization. This ensures that external users and guests must wait in the lobby until you allow them to join. The lobby works like a waiting room. When someone tries to enter the meeting, you'll see their name first. Only admit participants you recognize to avoid unexpected or anonymous users joining your call. Next, adjust who can present. Set this to only me or specific people, so attendees can't share their screen, take control, or interrupt the meeting without permission. You can also manage the meeting chat. For sensitive discussions, limit chat access to during the meeting only, or disable it completely to prevent distractions and unwanted links. During the meeting, keep an eye on the participants panel. If you see someone you don't recognize, you can remove them immediately, and they won't be able to rejoin unless you allow it. Once everyone has joined, you can lock the meeting. This prevents anyone else from entering, even if they have the meeting link. It's also important to be careful with meeting links. Avoid sharing them in public channels or on social media. Only send the link directly to the people you've invited. Finally, make sure Microsoft Teams is always up to date. Updates include important security improvements that help keep your meetings protected. Taking a minute to review your meeting options before you start can prevent most security issues. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.